And we end up at, yeah, we reached this place. It's called Mount Buller. Oh, there's actually a shuttle, and it is free. My ears is getting numb now, also my hand. More houses, and it is not allowed to sleep, to camp here in Mount Buller. Yeah, that's why later, I mean, I don't know yet where we are going to sleep tonight. I don't know yet. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at that, the other mountain. If you see that side of the mountain, yeah, there's no snow. This is what I want to do when I went to Mount Kosciuszko last time. Yeah, to walk in the snow. But most part of that snow during the time are closed. I mean, mostly are just for commercial. Or maybe that guy will come here to forbid me to walk around. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, he just parked there. The weather is getting worse, I think. Yeah, a lot of space is snow where you don't see the distance. I mean the border between the ice and the clouds. This is like an ordinary community, ordinary town with a shop, restaurant, pub, grocery. Very nice. Look at this guy, he can just glide like that. Amazing. Oh, they have accommodation, restaurant, dining room, but expensive. If the accommodation is cheap, I'm going to stay here. And if you are coming from outside, yeah, not all cars are allowed to come here in this village area of Mount Buller. Yeah, maybe just the usual residents are allowed to get in here. You can feel the droplets of the water. It's like what I said, it's a flaky, so it hurts a little bit when it touches the skin. The time now is 2 o'clock, and I think I've seen already a lot of the place, and I am really satisfied. Look at that, 50 meters, zero visibility already. We hide here. Okay, we continue walking. Yeah, you notice that? Yeah, the space is now covered with the fog. The people from the other side, from that 50 meters, they don't really see me. Yeah, they don't recognize me because of this thick fog. This is similar to those what we've seen in the movie. You're going to see a lot of warnings like that. Watch for falling snow. So basically there is snow coming from the roof. These two guys, they are actually Filipino. Yeah, I hear them talking. Oh, it is raining again. Yeah, we are now back here in the town center. And this is the grocery. And at the moment I'm here in one of the place, I don't know exactly, maybe actually it's a restaurant, but also there are kind of where you can rent your attire for snowing. There is a locker here. Yeah, and actually on that next to the door is the police station. It is raining at the moment, and you can't really see, yeah, because it's like foggy and rainy and snowy, so you don't really clearly see the view. Yeah, that's why I'm staying here, and I am uploading some pictures in Facebook. If you don't know, I have a Facebook uploadero where I upload some photos. So yeah, it's more recent, I mean more updated than YouTube. I don't think the rain is going to stop anytime soon, and so we're going to continue walking around. We try to go to that side. This is like a stormy winter. Not really, because the road is okay. There's no snow, walkable. This is like a small forest. Let's try to go up. I'm going to pretend like I'm walking in the forest. Yeah, and now we are walking, and yeah, in this kind of bush area of this Mount Buller. You notice that most of the trees, they are like this. Yeah, some are dead because of the cold temperature, but it is going to survive in the future. Yeah, it is dangerous in here. Why I come here? Yeah, I should go back now. Maybe because dangerous, maybe when I hit this and it goes down directly. How I'm going to survive with that? Okay, we go back. We go to the proper way of the people. Yeah, we are here on the other side of the top of Mount Buller. I think yeah, this place also looks beautiful during summer. Yeah, I think more beautiful during summer. Yeah, I think because look, the houses similar to those in Europe, kind of structure, the wall wooden color, gray color. I'm very happy for coming here. Yeah, the only problem is that it is not allowed to sleep or camp in the area of Mount Buller, so I can't sleep in the car. But the hotels, the cheapest that I check, yeah, $250. Not good for me, too much for me, very expensive. And look at this, there is this muddy, snowy just in front of the church. There's bird. This is actually the main police station, the main headquarters. We are now going back downstairs to the car park, and then we'll go to the camping area. And this is the bus that is going to the car park. Okay, and we are back here in the car park. A while ago, it is visible the truck on that side, the snowy truck on that side. I'm calling the snow in so many ways. Yeah, I am tempted to buy something like this. Yeah, a rope pad, but it will cost about $1,000 the total, including the roof rack and the other yeah, accessories with it. Yeah, because something like this, yeah, the roof rack, it will cost $500 for me, for my car. And then the pad is the same, about the same price. Oh, the other cars that are parked here when I arrive are gone. I go first to the toilet, and then I'm going to edit some videos in the car. Oh, it is starting to be visible again. So yeah, that is how it is, walking around in the snowy city or snowy town. Yeah, it's a good experience. I want to come back here during summer days. It looks like it is a very beautiful place on summer days. And we are now leaving the car park and going downstairs. And the road is wet. No rain, but the road is wet.